Listen, summer approaches. It's a refreshing beverage. I believe that watermelon is very hydrating. And so we are going to make a very special cucumber mint mojito with a splash of fresh watermelon juice.
All right, I'm going to follow along. All right, I'm going to follow along.
This is your end glass, so grab some mint, put it in your mixer, grab your muddler. And get ready to muddle, people. Give it a good muddle. Does anybody like to muddle?
I like to muddle.
It's like therapy.
It is.
We're not angry. So are you muddled?
I'm muddled.
Okay.
Now what?
So everything, it's the 2 rule. The rule of 2s, 2 ounces. 2 ounces, a normal mojito is with white rum. I prefer vodka, as does my friend. So we call this a vojito. Because...
Mojito!
Yes. So 2 ounces. 2 ounces of vodka.
Oh, wait, that was 2? Just that one little...
That's it.
Really?
Well, no one's looking.
Whoopsie!
Yeah, you do have the bigger. 2 ounces of your fresh watermelon juice.
Fresh watermelon.
2 ounces.
So many antioxidants.
I know, exactly. This is really, it's like a fruit smoothie. 2 ounces of
my doctor,
cucumber.
Dr. Bernie, is so happy with me if he's watching right now.
And you know what? Yes, and here's club soda. If you like a little bit of fizz, add club. If you just want the fruit smoothie, then no need.
Well, I'm gonna top with mine. Right.
You stole my top. You
stole your top?
You stole my top.
All right.
All right, give it a shake.
Oh, and then strain, right?
You did not see that. And then give it a good shake.
It's too thick.
That's all right. You know what?
Here.
It's like a Slurpee. So far, this is going great. But listen, while it's not beautiful, it tastes...
delicious.
Delicious.
All right. So,
it is really good.